Staring at that iPhone lock-to-owner screen can feel like looking at a high-tech paperweight, and most online advice suggests shady magic bypass tools that simply don't work. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. If you have genuinely lost your Apple ID credentials, you are likely feeling the stress of being cut off from your own data. Today at McCrunch, we are walking through the verified, official recovery paths that actually restore your access. You will learn how to use account recovery contacts in Apple's formal support documentation to unlock your device the right way. I see so many people get scammed by software promising a one-click fix for an iPhone locked to owner how to unlock without Apple ID. I want to help you avoid those traps by focusing on real solutions that stick. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have legal permission from the owner to use these steps. Attempting to bypass security on a stolen phone is illegal. These official methods require valid proof of purchase. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware. This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone locked to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credits safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code. I see countless websites promising a quick fix through third-party software, but I must tell you that these tools often result in malware or wasted money. My goal at McCrunch is to provide you with a permanent solution that keeps your device safe and functional. I know how frustrating it is to be locked out of your own hardware, but Apple builds these security walls to protect your personal data from theft. I only use and recommend official channels because they are the only way to truly clear the activation lock from Apple servers. If you are the legitimate owner, you have a legal right to access your device, and I am here to help you navigate that formal process. I start my recovery process by visiting the official Apple support portal on a separate computer or tablet. I search for the activation lock support page and look for the specific link to start a support request. My goal here is to provide Apple with undeniable proof that I own the device. I gather my original sales receipt, which must include the device serial number, the IMEI, and the date of purchase. I make OK the receipt clearly shows the name of the authorized reseller where I bought the phone. I upload a clear photo of this document through the secure portal and provide my current contact information and a brief explanation of my situation. Apple technicians manually review these requests to confirm the chain of ownership. I wait for an email confirmation once they verify my documents and remotely clear the lock. I protect my future access by setting up a recovery key right now. I go into my phone settings, select my name, and find the sign-in and security menu. I toggle on the recovery key option and write down the 28-character code that the system generates. I store this code in a physical safe or locked drawer because Apple cannot reset it for me if I lose it. This key acts as my ultimate backup to regain entry into my account without needing another trusted device. I also designate a recovery contact from my list of trusted family members. This person receives a special code to help me verify my identity if I ever get locked out again. I add a legacy contact to my account settings as well. I covered the steps to handle an iPhone locked to owner how to unlock without Apple ID by relying on official support requests and original purchase receipts. I explained why avoiding shady bypass software keeps your data safe and how a recovery key prevents future lockouts. I also detailed how to use tools like Unloxy to clear activation locks through verified serial numbers. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.